Hey there, and welcome to day one of the 7-day life transformation challenge. I'm Ajit, a life coach dedicated to helping students and young professionals build confidence, set goals, and create a life that's smooth, successful, and stress free. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried using Google Maps without entering a destination? Imagine just opening the app, expecting it to guide you somewhere amazing, but you never type in where you want to go. Sounds silly, right? Well, that's exactly what happens when we go through life without clear goals. We are just moving, but with no real direction. That's why today we are going to fix that. We are going to set goals that actually work, goals that motivate you, push you forward, and most importantly, get the results. And to make things even easier, I have created a free goal setting tracker just for you. Stick around till the end and I'll show you how to download it and start using it today. Let's get started. Before we talk about how to set the right goals, let's first see why most people fail. One of the reasons is they set vague goals. It's like saying, I want to be healthy, but not deciding whether that means eating better, exercising, or sleeping more. Second is they don't track progress. Imagine playing a video game with no scoreboard. How would you know if you are improving? And lastly, they lack motivation and accountability. Without reminders or check ins, it's easy to forget why you started. But here's the good news, you're not going to make these mistakes. Instead, I'm going to show you a foolproof method that works. The secret to goal success is the SMART goals. Let's see what they are. One is specific. Be exactly what do you want to achieve. Next is measurable. How will you track your progress? One more is achievable. See whether it is realistic for you. Next is be relevant. Does this goal truly matter to you? And lastly, it should be time bound. When will you achieve it? Let me give you an example. Instead of saying, I want to study more, say, I will study for 2 hours a day for the next 30 days using my time blocking planner. Let me give you an exercise. Take a moment and write down one SMART goal for the next 30 days. It can be about studies, fitness, personal growth, or even saving money. Let me know in the comments below what is your goal. Now let's see the next step. The power of writing and tracking goals. Did you know writing down goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them? Think of it this way. If a teacher gave you an assignment but never asked you to submit it, would you still put in the same effort? Probably not. Tracking goals works the same way. That's why I have created a goal setting tracker, a simple tool that will help you write down goals the right way, track progress daily or weekly, stay accountable and motivated. I request you download the goal setting tracker using the link in the description and start filling it out today. I have a small exercise for you. After downloading, take 5 minutes to write down at least one SMART goal in the tracker. Let me tell you the next step. Find your why and stay motivated. Now that you have your goals, let's make sure you actually stick to them. So what is the key? You need to have a strong why. Your why is the deep reason behind your goal. Think of a college student who wants to wake up early at 6 a.m. If the reason is because it sounds cool, they'll quit it in a week. But if the reason is so I have extra time to study and get my dream job, they'll stay motivated. So ask yourself today, why do I want to achieve this? What will change in my life when I do? How will I feel when I succeed? So I have a very small exercise for you. Write your why statement in your goal setting tracker and review it daily. That's it for day today that we covered in day one. Today we covered how to set the SMART goals, the power of tracking progress, why having a strong why is crucial. Now it's your turn. Download the goal setting tracker where the link is in the description. Set your first SMART goal and write it in the tracker, and comment below what's your number one goal for the next 30 days. So in my next upcoming video in the day 2, we will see time management and productivity hacks. So hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take action and start your journey today.